Hello again, everyone. Congratulations. Now we have all the needed tools to work with Microsoft SQL Server. Now the journey of coding with SQL Server and working with Microsoft SQL Server starts. At the first step, we want to create a database. Okay, as you can see here, I have two connections to the same database, to the same SQL Server. One connection is enough for me. I don't need all of these connections together. Okay, one connection start, I disconnected from the other connection. Now I can create a database with code. To create a database with code, I can use this command, create database. For example, suppose you want to create a database to contains all the data of an academic institute, or an institute for training some practical courses and programming courses to the students. We want to create a database for this. If we can create this database with command or by using graphical user interface of this tool. At the first step, I want to create a database by command. Now I use this command, create database. For example, what is name? Now I select this command, and now I click here, execute. Now if I open this, oh, amazingly, something happens here. You can see your institute is here, a database is created for me. However, I can create a database by using this tool, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio tool. To create a database by using this tool, I delete the created database. I want to create this database again by using the tool. Now I click OK, and now I can here right click new database, and I choose a name. It shows me that two files will be created for me to store the data and log information from the database. You can see here in this directory, the two files is created for me. One of them is MDF file and another of them is LDF file. Okay, now I can change the path for the database file that is created. I can choose any path that we want. Now I can cancel. Also, you can see that at the first step, all these tools have these two files are into two types, have two extensions. One of them is MDF file that contains the data, and the other file is LDF file. And each of these files will be created with the initial size of this amount, 8 megabyte, and when the 8 megabyte is full, it automatically auto-grows the size to this amount, 64 megabyte. Okay, now I want to click here. I want to click OK, and it takes a little time. As you can see here, the institute database is listed here. These two files will be created if you create your database with this command. These two files will be created automatically. And if you create the database with this wizard, these two files will be created automatically. However, you can change these amounts, all of these values, if you want. Now I click cancel here. If I go to this location, okay, You can see here the path of this file. If I Control C, I Control C here, and okay, goes here and paste. Okay, you can see here. These two files is here, and with the initial size of each one 8 megabyte, and this is 8 megabyte again. Now you can see here how easy it is to create an empty database in Microsoft SQL Server. Very easily, I created an empty database. At the first step, I create an empty database with this command. At the second step, in an alternative way, I can use the tool to create this command. Okay. Now, in the next video, we want to go deeper in this, or to working with this Microsoft SQL Server. Have a nice time. Don't lose us. Subscribe to our channel.